Hey guys, wanna know how to remove unwanted outfits or unwanted clothes in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application. And once you've done that, on the bottom right, you can see this small inventory icon right here. So simply select it. Now, once you've done that, right here you can see your outfits. So right beside outfits, just simply scroll down until you see or find the outfit you want to dismantle. So I'll just go for shirts. So right here there is another duplicate shirt with me. So there is two of the same shirt. So I'll just select dismantle right here. So select dismantle, and once I've done that, just simply dismantle one clothes or depending on how many duplicates clothes there are, and select OK. And that's it. After that, you will also get a reward for it. So you can just repeat it for any other duplicate clothes just like this, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.